Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I've got a really quick one for you, and that is Google is rolling out an extension to audience signals, and that is in the search themes area. Previously, Google would allow a maximum of 25 search themes or keywords effectively, and they have increased that to 50. So we're seeing this in probably about 20% of our accounts so far, but this should roll out in the coming weeks. So just something to keep in mind if you want to dial in your keyword themes or search themes a little more specifically. You can now add a bunch more keywords in there. As always, best practice is to take your highest performers. That can be by volume of conversions, typically. You could also use, low CPA or something like that, but make sure you're including words that do get an appreciable volume of clicks. It may be nice that you have that one albatross that's, super long tail and gets an amazing return, but you've only spent, 1% of your budget on that in the last month. So it's not going to help you much. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. I will see you next time.